Yeah. Yeah, no, absolutely. A ratchet wrench is the way to go on that.
And so is there something I need to catch on the back end? Or is it...
Nope, it is just a free-floating bolt at that point. I think there's a washer.
And then, how would I tether to this per se?
You wouldn't. Okay. Just crash back. Yep. Okay, so now we...
Oh, keep going with the arm.
Yeah. Any tethers or anything that's further across there, you know, could potentially damage that. So just be careful of that as you're doing your airlock off.
So now, this black mark here, is that actual, like, is it physically touching something in space? Or?
No, it won't. No, you just have this staging back here. So it might slightly bump that, but that's not hard. Yeah, space you won't need that same type of momentum. Okay. I have heard that momentum. Yep, that's good.
Alright, so we're going clockwise.
Yep, you can drive the port.
Okay. And that was one point.
Probably about 3 to 4 turns.
Start.
Yep, you can go drive 2 turns.
Green light.
All right. Any questions on that bracing, or
no?
Want to see anything else?
Those airways open. Just tell me what side you want to work on.
Right side.
There you go. Here, and then what we're going to do is
No, I'm open to suggestions. Like lift it up a little bit, you mean?
Yeah, and if you exhale, you put yourself in the back of the suit, you'll be able to detach the Velcro and slide it up.
Okay.
the tab is right here.
Perfect.
That's sealed.
Yeah.
Okay. So keep your head straight. Back first. Squeeze in the